from Assagao Union High School, and I would like to give a short feedback of what I experienced during this 3-day workshop or a crash course. It was really good and it was really helpful for me because in science I faced a lot of problem to remember that the activity series and also the memory tricks helped me a lot. And when I came first over here, to be honest, I was really scared because there's expectations to get good marks in the exam, get above 90. But when I saw all the students over here, it was like, no Ankita, it's not your pair of shoes. You can't do it. But when sir motivated and he started teaching, it was like really good. I understood. It helped me to gain confidence in me that even I can do it. When sir said that everyone over here can get full marks in maths and science, it was really easy. It was like a greatest satisfaction I've ever had. And I would like to thank sir for giving shed all this knowledge and to give such a great session. And I hope this continues further and it will help other students. Thank you.
Myself, Ramika from Sri Ganesh High School. So, in the math session, we were given different types of problems or the questions which can appear for the exam, which made it easier for us to study the concept differently and each concept in detail. Plus, in science, we have a vast portion for science that was given to us in the form of short notes and points. So, it was easier to grasp the concept and to analyze each and everything. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Saima Babanhani, studying in Assagao Union High School, and I'm really thankful for this workshop in which Sir Atmaram Gaukar taught us the portion for this exam. And to be honest, that each and every lesson was really difficult, but he made it so easy for us, and we are really thankful for it. And me being a very weak student in maths, I understood each and every lesson of it and the trigonometric formulas too. So thank you so much, sir, and I hope this workshop carries on.
Good morning, myself is from Sri Shankar Vidyalaya Suryam High School. It was the biggest opportunity to me to attend the 3-day session with Atmaram Gaukar sir, and it was a wonderful session. I really would like to thank Mr. Atmaram Gaukar sir for helping us in our maths, helping and solving all difficulties of maths and science. It was really benefited for us, especially in trigonometry chapter. I really want to thank Mr. Atmaram Gaukar sir. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Krishna Kumar. I study in Assagao Union High School, and I am really thankful being here in this workshop. And I really thank to Sir Atmaram Gaukar, and I am really happy being here. And a lot of my difficulties got here, and mostly in trigonometry. And I was not even prepared at last minute of this exam, but at least I think I covered more than 70% of the portion. Being here just for 3 days, so I just loved it, and I thank a lot for it, and I hope it will carry along in future. Thank you so much.
I am Regina D'Souza, student of Holy Cross High School, Sholen. I would like to thank Mr. Atmaram Gaukar for explaining us the whole Maths and Science division very effectively, and he exposed us to different kinds of MCQ questions, and I am sure that this will help us in our upcoming board exam. Thank you.
I am Janisa D'Souza from Holy Cross High School, Sholen, and I would like to thank Mr. Atmaram Gaukar for helping us study in this workshop. It was really very useful. We could at least cover the 70% of the things we have covered, and the tricks that were shown were really useful to support us in the further thing. And thank you so much again, and I hope that this will continue. Thank you.
I am Mike Pargi from Ghateshwar Mandir Assagao. So we had a workshop of 3 days with Atmaram Gaukar sir. It was very nice workshop because his tips and tricks were so nice. The math and science topics are very easy. After doing the learning the tips and tricks what he told and revisions and all the questions what he told, it was very easy to learn, and I would like to have more worksheets.